Yeah, it's working. Just mm, no, the screen record is successful. Mm. Today I'm going to tell about sliding window concept in DSA. In DSA, I'm also learning DSA from recent days. I'm also like you, but what I have learned these days, I have to teach you. That's what my goal is. So, in sliding window, there's a two types of sliding window concepts. Like type one is type one is a fixed size window, fixed size window. Like he'll ask a question like there's an array. In that array, there is a values or there are some values 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2. These are the values they are given. Okay, in this array, they'll also give one size. Like we have to find first these three sums and these three sums and these three sums and these three sums. Okay, among them, you have to find the maximum sum of that size. Okay, now I'll just rub it. Now I'll take this as A and I'll take the window size as 3. Yeah. Now I have to find these three sums first. Like my I is here. Yeah. I equal to 0. Now my I is here and then I have to sum these three. Like while I less than K. And after I'll just take a S variable equal to 0 for initial value and then I'll just sum it. S plus equal to A of I and then I'll just increment the I value. I plus equal to 1. Now see, what's the logic here? Means first you put the I here, okay? Yeah, and then first the I value is here, and the S value will add these two, like S equal to 0 plus 2. Now the S will be 2, right? Yeah, and then the I value will be incremented by 1, and also it is gonna be 1, and after S already mm, S has a 2, okay, and then the 2 will add by 1. 2 plus 1. Now what will be the S value? 3, right? Yeah. Now the 3 value, sorry, now the S value is 3. And after I value was incremented by 1. And now the I value is 2. Okay. Here the condition also checks here. K value is 3, right? First is I value is 0. 0 less than 3. True. Then the S value will become 2 here. And then the I value is 1. 1 less than 3. True, right? Yeah. And after the I value is here, and also the I value incremented by 1, and the I value will be here in the third position. Third position of the second index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this it will be. And the I value will be 2. Here the 2 I updated here, and now the I value also 2. 2 less than 3. True, right? Yeah. And also the S value will be updated by addition with yeah 5. Now the A of I value is 5. Okay, then 3 plus 5 means 8, right? Yeah. Now the S value will be 8, and then here it stores 8 like S will stores 8 value. And then I value will be incremented by 3. Now the I value will be here. Here is the main confusion. Every beginner will come, and here the I value is 3, right? 3 less than 3. It is true. I mean, mm, 3 is less than 3. 3 is less than 3 or 3 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3, right? But they didn't mention equal to. So it stops here. It stops the iteration here. Okay, then the I value will stores 3. Okay, now the S value will be 8, right? 8. And then the main logic is here. After this, the main logic will be appear. Just take a m value, m variable, and in that m variable, just store S value for the future purpose. Just store S value. Like now m will stores 8 only. You know, the m will stores 8 value, and then after just go to and just go to the next loop. I'll take the next loop like while I less than length of a. Length of a means what's the length of a? So length of array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? Okay. I will be 3. I will be 3. 3 less than 6. True, right? Now I'll just update the S value. Now see S plus equal to A of I minus A of I minus K. Have you understand this? No, right? No. Now A of I means 3. A of 3 means what? A of 3 means 1. Yeah, 1. You have to add 1. Like 8 plus 1 means 9, right? But you want these three sum. But how will you get? You have to subtract this one. By adding this one, after you have to do subtraction with the first value, not first value. Before 3, window size is 3, but you have to addition only these three values only. Okay, you know, first these three values only you have to add. That's why you have to add this one first, and after subtract this one. Subtract this before index. Now I means 3. 3 minus k means 3, right? Yeah. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then it will add like 8 plus 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means how much? 7, right? 7. Now the S value will be updated by 7. And after I'll check the condition with if S greater than M means I'll just update the M value. Okay, M to S. And after I'll just increment the I value. Now see what happens here. 7 is greater than M stores 8 only, right? Yeah, 7 greater than 8. True? No, right? And after I will be incremented by 4. No, now the I value will be here. Now it will adds this one. Okay, 7 plus 3 means 10. 10, right? And after you have to subtract this one. Now the I value is 4. 4 minus 3 means 1, right? 1. Now it will subtract with the first index. Now the value will be 10 minus 1 means 9, right? 9. Now 9 greater than 8. True, right? Now the M value will be updated by 9. Okay, it stores 9 now. And after I will be incremented by 1. Okay, now the I value will be here. I pointer will be here. Now here you have to check. Now S value means now what? S value is 9. 7, not 7. It's now 9. I have that updated it, right? Okay, now the I value, sorry, the S value will be sorry, added by 2. Now 9 plus 2 means how much? 11. 11, right? 11 value. And after 11 minus, you have to subtract with this 5. Okay, this 5 means how much it will come? 11 minus 5. How much it is? 6, right? Yeah, 6. Now the S value will be updated by 6. Now the conditional checks 6 greater than 9. True or no, right? Still m value holds 9 value, and just we have to print of m value. Now what will be the answer now? 9 only, right? 9 is the maximum sum of the window. Now we'll check for one, sir. How it will happen? I'll just take a equal to 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2. This is my array. And there is a window size 3. And you have to take one I value and S value. Now you have to iterate while I less than K. Here I less than K means what? Now the I value is 0. 0 less than K is 3. 3. Now I value is 0. And I'll just update the S value by S plus equal to, sorry, S equal to S plus A of I. Yeah, now I'll increment the I plus equal to 1. Here you have to see 0 less than 3. True. True means the S value updated by S equal to 0 plus, where is I? Here, right? Here is the I value. And then 0 plus 2 means 2. S will be updated by 2 now. Yeah. Now, and after I value will be now incremented, and the I value will be here. Okay. And after 1 less than 3. It is false? No, right? Yeah, it is true. And the S value also, the S value again it will be updated by S equal to 2 plus 1. How much it is? 3, right? 3. Updated by 3. Now the S value will stores 3. And after I will be incremented by 1. And now the I value will be here. Okay. 2 less than 3. True, right? Okay. And again the S value will be updated by 3 plus 5. How much it is? 8, right? Now the S value will be 8. And again the I value will be incremented by 1. Now the I value will be here. Now we check the condition now. In that while 3 less than 3. True? No, right? Now the while loop will be terminated and S value holds 8. Let's see once. Let's check it once. Okay. I'll just print off. Yes. What value it holds? 8. You see, it holds 8 here. Okay. Now you're able to understand. And also I'll check I value. I'll just print off I. Now the I holds I think 3. See, I value holds 3. 3 less than 3 false, right? In that condition, the while loop will be terminated, and after I'll store a I'll store the S value in M. Okay, I'm just assigning S value to M variable. Now I'll just print of M 8, right? It just holds the 8 value. Okay, now I'm again giving a condition like while I less than length of A. Now the I value will be 3, right? Now I'll just delete this. I'll just remove these conditions and all this before while loop conditions. Okay. Now the value is 3, right? Yeah, 3. The length of the array is 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 3 less than 6. True, right? Yeah, true. And now we have to update S plus A of I minus A of I minus K. And now you have to mention a condition. If S greater than M is, just update M to S, and after I plus equal to 1. Print of, okay. Sorry. I'll just confirm you. Now the S value will be updated by, what is S value? 8, right? 8 plus What is the A of I? A of I means 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 here. Yeah. 8 plus 1 means 9. 9 minus, what is A of I minus K? A of I means 3. 3 minus 3 means 0, right? 0. A of 0 means what is the value of A of 0? A of 0 is 2, right? Yeah. 8 plus 1 minus 2. What is 8 plus 1? 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, right? Yeah, it is 7. Now, after it checks 7 greater than M. Sorry, M is 8, right? Yeah. 7 greater than M. No, right? M still holds 8 only. Okay. M still holds 8 only. I'll just show you what how it stores. Just wait and see. And after, wow, I will be incremented by 1. Okay. Now the I will be here. Now I means what? 4, right? 4 less than 6. It is true. Yeah, it is true. And after, just update the S value by S plus. So now S means 7, right? 7 plus A of I means 3. 3 minus 1. Minus 1. Just have to remember, this is the logic. Here I mentioned. Here I mentioned. And just see. 7 plus 3 means 10. 10 minus 1 means 9. S equal to 9. Now now the S value holds 9. Okay, now the check now the condition we have to check 9 greater than 8. True, right? Now the M value will be 9. Now M holds 9. Okay. And after, again the I value will be incremented by 1. Now the I value will be here. Okay. Now again 5 less than 6. True, right? Yeah. S equal to, what is the S value? 9 plus 2 minus 5. 9 plus 2 means 11. 11 minus 5 means 6. Now the S value will be holds 6. S value will holds 6 value. Now again it checks the condition 6 greater than 9. No, right? And still M holds only 9. It is the maximum sum of these windows. You know, for this window it holds a 8. For this window it holds a 7. For this window it holds a, for this window only, right? For this window it holds a 9 value. Sorry. This window 513 and 132. These are the 4 3 windows. Yeah. Now we have to print the M value. Okay. I just print of M. What is the output now? I think the M value will be holds 9. Answer also 9. See. Able to understand? See. M value holds 9. And also I'll just print the S value also. What is the final S value? Print of S means it holds 6. I think. Yeah, it holds 6 now. Okay. Now you're able to understand. Yeah. So this is the sliding window concept of type 1.